Hello, friends. Welcome to Investor Central. It's been a long time, but no worries. I have updated my softwares and bringing you a new review on an interesting fund. Let's check out more details further in the video. Coming to the basic details of the fund size is 820.64 crores, expense ratio is 1.58. Inception date of this fund is in 2003, that is 19 years back. Fund manager name is Shankaran Narayan and manager start date is 2018. Means since last 4 years, the fund manager is managing this fund. NAV is 137 rupees. Coming to the returns of the portfolio, 1 year return, annualized return is only 3.03, which is low, but 2 year return is 33.335%. 3 year return is also good at 25. 5 year return 15, almost 14.65%. 10 year return is almost 13.65%. Since inception, return is 14.85%. Friends, here 1 year return annualized return is 3.03 only, which is low. But when you see the SIP returns, annualized 1 year SIP return is 14%. 2 year annualized return is 17%. 3 year annualized return is 26%. 5 year 20%. 10 years 15%. So for SIP investors, this fund is doing good because in the last year the things also happened like that. Market went down from highs, stayed there for a while, and then moved back. So now the returns are appearing here. So SIP investors mainly getting good returns. Coming to the portfolio review, this is as the name suggests, ICICI Prudential Thematic Advantage Fund of Funds. This is a fund of funds which invest in other funds. So you are going to get a widely huge portfolio in a single fund, and what you are going to get is banking and financial services, stocks from banking and financial services, US blue chip equity 15.65%, banking and financial is 30%, pharma 15% almost, ICICI technology, and these are direct funds. They invest in direct funds only. 14.16%. ICICI floating interest rate fund is 7.95%. ICICI floating interest rate is a debt fund based on the floating, like whenever the interest rate rises, the return from this fund also rise. So this fund invest in the fund of funds. There is a debt fund also, which is allocated up to 8%, and exports and imports fund is another 8%. ICICI commodities is also there with 5.57%. So total out of top 10 holdings constitute about 95.6%, but they are not stocks, they are funds. Coming to risk measures, 3 year alpha beta they have not calculated because there are this is widely diversified portfolio. The benchmark to use the to calculate the alpha is not has to be adjusted in many other ways to calculate the alpha for this one. And but 3 year sharp ratio is extremely good at 0.88, and standard deviation is 23.57, which is uh, volatile. But for SIP investors, volatility is a friend. And lump sum, if you are going to do lump sum, just make sure you are following up the lump sum investment with an SIP also. Coming to the key highlights of the fund is widely diversified and good SIP returns are there. Dynamic asset allocation means before during corona time, this fund has highest allocation to pharma funds. So they change the asset allocation whenever required based on the situations in the market. Thus, this is the review of this fund, and thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe our channel.